previous video, we have seen the Python programming instruction or command execution in the command line window, that is interactive window or of the shell of the Python. So this is the window where we have executed previous commands in the previous video, like a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, c is equal to a plus b, then print a, print b, print c, and so on. So this is interactive window where we execute single command, single instruction as a one by one line interpretation is there. Of course, the Python is line interpreter. In case of editor also, here also. So for complex programs or lengthy programs, we must use the editors. Python program provides, along with this shell window or command line window, the idle window and its idle editor window. So we have to click on the idle window so that it is evoked. In idle window, the same command line prompt is given where we can execute the same program, and the editor is the window which is used for long or complex programs. In idle shell window, interactive window, this is also interactive window, but under the idle package. So in this window we are having the drop down menus, and we are having the output display facility and the prompt line command where you can execute again the similarly the programs like this. A is equal to 1, print a, where it shows the supportive highlighters, etc. So this idle shell is having the file drop down menu. In this new file open, model, recent file, modular, model browser, path, save as, copy, print window, etc. is there. In edit, undo, redo, select all, cut, copy, paste, find again, find selection, find file, replace, etc. is there. In shell, last view, restart the shell, previous history. So shell is restarted where all the variables are washed out, flushed out. So that is called shell restart the shell. Then in debug, go to line debugger, stack viewer, auto open, stack viewer, etc. Then option configure idle, zoom height, etc. And in configure idle, we can set our font size to maximum 40 so that it is visible. So yes, now it is visible according to our video recording for this session. So in option it is config idle is there. So presently the only idle shell window is there, so under window it's showing idle window. If you open the editor, it's also showing the editor window. How to open the editor window? Go to file menu and new file you can click, or if already some file is there, you can go for open file or recent files. In recent file, P1 file, just it was created. I will click on this and it opens the editor. So this is editor. In the window, it now showing the idle shell as well as P1 editor. If you click the idle shell, it goes to idle shell. If you click on P1.P1, it goes to this editor. So this P1.py, P1 is the program name, .py is the extension of the Python program. So this is one editor, and here we can create any number of editor. Okay. So if you simultaneously open one program, next program, again one more program, all the editors will be shown, and under the window all these are shown, and we can switch over the different windows. So this editor window is also having the file menu, and under this menu there is a drop down menu: new file, open model, recent files, model browser, path browser, save copies, print window, close window, exit idle, etc. Similarly, edit, undo, redo, select all, cut, copy, paste, find again, find selection, find files, replace, etc. In format paragraph, indent region, de-indent region. So we can indent the region in the program according to different instructions. Suppose there are decision making loop instructions are there, like for loop is there, decision making if is there, else is there, while is there. So in under if or while, whatever the block to be executed in that condition, that is indented. Indented means it is placed at particular distance under that, maybe one tab distance under that command. Okay. So this is typographical arrangement, and this is used for identifying the block under that particular instruction, like while or if. Similarly for loop, any loop like for loop, the indented block is executed under the for loop. Indented block is executed under if. Indented block is in that block many instructions are there. That indented block is executed under while. So we will check this afterwards, but the indenting which can be done, de-indenting can be done, then commenting can be done, or uncommenting. Commenting means some extra information we can provide there in the editor, and this information will not be executed as a program, but it remains there for our convenience, and for that we have to indicate that with hash or double hash or pound. It is called hash is called pound or double pound. Okay. So this is the commenting. So similarly, tabify, you can do provide the tab in the or untabify, toggle tabs, etc. The indent width can also be adjusted. This is run. We can run the module. So that means we can execute. If you click this shortcut run module, it runs and it restarts the shell. Shell is restarted now after executing this p1.py. Py is the extension of Python, and the output is shown here, hello program. Now if we want to go again to the p1 program, we click the window and go to this program. If you want to go to idle shell, you can go to idle shell. If you want to go to p1 program, you can go to p1 program, like this. So run is there. So this run can be done with the F5 also, pressing the F5 function key on the keyboard. And in the option configure idle is there, just we have seen. You can set or configure different things in this, just like the font size, then highlights keys, then windows, then shell, okay, extension, okay, window height, window width, then different properties of the window we can select or set in the option configuring. The show code context, show line numbers. So if you click the show line numbers, what will happen? It shows this line number. or if you hide the line number, it hides the line number. But this line number is very important because we can easily identify the error because it is given in the form of line number. So immediately we can go there in the very lengthy programs or complex programs. So line number is important. So we can have the line number showing also on this. So this is the idle, that is long form idle. You can check in the help. It is in help about idle, Python's interactive Python's integrated development and learning environment, IDLE, idle. So this is the help regarding idle. So this is the idle document. We can check the idle document also. In idle document, idle is nothing but Python's integrated development and learning environment, IDLE, idle. So it has the following features. It has a cross-platform work, mostly same on the Windows, Unix, Mac OS. Python shell window, it is that is nothing but interactive interpreter. Python shell window, it is called interactive interpreter. Previous video we have done in the interactive interpreter, where we have executed single command. It is having the similar facility here. It is having colorizing in that, in the code input, output, error message, etc. Then we can have here the multi-window text editors. Many windows you can open in the editor, and multiple undo is there, Python colorizing is there, smart indent is there, call tips are there, auto compilation, indent just we have discussed, and search within any window is there, replace within the editor window is there, search through multiple files is there. So all these facilities are available. Then debugger with persistent breakpoints, stepping, global, local, namespaces, etc. Configuration browser. Menus we just have seen. Menus of idle has two main windows, that is the shell window and editor window. Just we have discussed all this. We have shown the shell window. We have seen the menus, drop-down menus. Also for the editor window, menus, drop-down menus. Their uses we have seen. And output windows such as used for editor, find the files, subtype of editor window, etc. Then these are the different menu for shell and editor, and these are the edit menu. Then these are the format menu, editor window only. Then run menu, editor window only. Shell menu, only shell window. Okay. Debug menu for shell window, option menu for shell window and editor window, and window menu for shell and editor window. Help menu, shell and editor. Context menu is there, editing and navigation. This is the document of idle. So these are the two windows, one is shell window, one is editor window. Multiple editor windows can be opened. So we will now program hereafter in the idle editor window.